Hey guys, I am now over here with my mom, Caroline, and now I'm not really that afraid of her anymore. Ooh. And now she doesn't really follow me everywhere. Whoa, I like her house. I love her house style. This is so cool. You're so cute. Don't you guys think? Cute. Over here. Ooh, guys, look. There's even this cute little space. Yeah, I'm just gonna grab some tomatoes. Grab cup, fill tea. Grab cup, fill tea. Grab cup, fill tea. Grab cup, and fill tea. Oh, these beds are super expensive. Ugh! I want them all! Guys, I want them all! What do I do? Help! I gotta admit, this is so cute. Too cute to even say a word to describe how cute this is. Oh, this is like the throne. Sit. Like, this is all my planet. Planet Earth is mine. Oh, this is so cool. I now am so in love with this place. I don't even want to leave anymore. But just look how cute this is. You guys won't even believe it, okay? You guys probably don't even believe how cute this is. And one thing again, you guys have to click the subscribe button and give this cute little video a thumbs up. And 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and I say kitty fans. Okay. My house, please. Why her house? Yeah. Okay. What? Okay. Okay, she is weird. watch a movie. See ya. Turn on. I have no idea what she's talking about. Okay, I gotta go out. I'm gonna exit home. And hopefully she'll follow up. Cool guy's house. What's this cool guy? No. Oh, this is my mom Yeaster's house. Let's see what she looks like. Okay, still the same old empty. With a welcome sign. And what about here? Oh, this place is actually really dreamy. This is before really, really old and not fun at all. Let's see what's this place. Oh, cool, interesting. Not that fun, but let's see if my the little room is still there. Oh, there's like this laptop and this white blank sheet. Doing what? Okay, I'm now really scared, sort of. Because what if she scammed me? I mean, yes, she won't scam me. But I'm just scared. What if she put me in that high chair again? This high chair. This chair that I've always hated about. If I misbehave, then I'm going to go in that place. And you didn't really decorate the pool. Okay, the pool is just super little. Turn off. The heck is going on? Where is my mom? Mr. 21's house. Okay, let me see. And it's only my friend Yeaster. Weird. Hey, where you going, Mom? Mom! Nah, I'm fine with it. Let me see, I'm gonna teleport to my friend Yeaster. Okay, where is she? What's she doing? Where is she? What the heck? What's happening? What is happening? Hello? I mean, it isn't really a bad thing that he leaves me alone, but it isn't really a good thing too. Is she paying? Is she? Wait. What is happening? I'm now super confused. Okay. So, guys, this is all about me being with my mom, and this is episode 4. So, you guys make sure to go and click the like button, and make sure the biggest thing is be part of the kitty family. You just need to press the little subscribe button. Make sure to click it right now in 3, 2, 1. See ya next time. Make sure to stay kitten happy.